done. Oh god, these came out a lot faster than they went in. Okay. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been rocking these faux locks for like almost a month now, and it is time to take these things out because I need to wash my hair and I just need these wassy things out my hair, like no question about it. So today I'm going to be showing you how I take down these locks, and I'm gonna bring you into my wash day after I have a protective hairstyle. So if that's what you came to see, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to just get right into it. I'm gonna start at the front and make my way to the back with taking out these faux locks. So the first thing you want to do is find the hoop where you made the knots, and I'm finding that hoop and it's right here. You want to put your finger through that, and then you want to take the entire lock and pass it through that hoop. Right now, once you've done that, you can take the hoop out of your hair, and then you can just start unraveling your hair from the lock. And bam, 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 bam. Okay, so let me show you how to do that again. So you look for the hoop, right, that was in the faux lock. And once you get the hoop, you want to take the whole lock and pass it back through the hoop again. Okay, now once you do that, it's easy to take the lock out of your hair and start unraveling it, and that's it. So I'm just gonna do that, and when I'm done, I will be back. I am done. Oh god, these came out a lot faster than they went in. Okay, but this is what my hair looks like. So I'm just going to unplait or unbraid my hair. So I have unbraided my hair, and you can see in the front all that gunk. Ew, ew, ew. Okay, so today for my wash day, I'm going to be using the Head and Shoulders Royal Oils. So I'm gonna be using the shampoo and the conditioner. And since I'm just taking my hair out from a protective hairstyle, I want to do like a deep conditioner with like more like a protein deep conditioner. And so I'm gonna transform this into a protein deep conditioner. And if you want to see how I do it, it's pretty simple. I will tag the video below in the description or somewhere up here, and that's what I'm gonna do for my wash day. And I think this wash day, the hairstyle that I'm gonna go with, I'm gonna try this new spoolie product on my hair. So I'm gonna link that video down in the description and somewhere up here too. So I'm gonna do this for this wash day. But today, as I said, I'm gonna be using the shampoo and the conditioner from the Royal Oils from Head and Shoulders. But before I get into that, because I have like gunk in my hair, and sometimes they can cause knots and break more hair than I need to, I am going to go with a pre-poo today. And this line does not have a pre-poo, so I am going to use my good old faithful Main Choice pre-poo on my hair today. Okay, So let's just get into that. I'm focusing a lot of this on the gunky part of my hair because that's where a lot of breakage is gonna happen. Okay guys, so I have shampooed my hair, and this shampoo is very stripping of the oils in your hair. So if you're gonna use it, just know that it really gets rid of those oils. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is deep condition, and I am not going to use the deep condition that comes with this royal oil line. I'm actually gonna use, I use this conditioner, just a normal conditioner, and I made it into a protein deep conditioner. And if you want to see how I did that, it literally takes like 2 minutes to do. Then you can see that in the description, or as I said, I'll put it somewhere up here. So I have my DIY deep conditioner mix in here, and I'm just going to apply that to each section. Okay. Okay, so I have washed the deep conditioner out. Oh, y'all. My hair feels so silky soft. Like, this is a protein treatment, and my hair feels so good. Like, I wish you could feel my hair right now. Oh my god. Okay, so since I plan on using these spoolies in my hair for this wash day, I'm going to go ahead and put in a leave-in conditioner, plait my hair up, and then go to bed. And then in the morning, I am going to put these in so you can see how it does. So right now, I'm gonna put in a leave-in conditioner, and this is by Nairobi, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna use their soft finish leave-in conditioner today. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching me take down my faux locks and go through an entire wash day. I know it was probably very long, but I really wanted to show you how I take down my protective hairstyles and go through a wash day to like reduce the amount of shedding that takes place. And if you really think about it, like, this is all the shedding I had, guys, all the shedding. And trust me, it can be worse. So thank you so much again for watching. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Everything that I've used in this video will be down in the description, so you can check the direct links, everything that I've used. And as I said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and don't forget to watch my other videos.